Your subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So here you can see it, action blocked. The action was blocked. Please try again later. We restrict certain content and actions to protect our community. Tell us if you think we made a mistake. So how you can also fix it. So mostly it happen because you just make a lot of too many actions, the same actions at one time. So you just need to wait to make same actions again. So mostly it's just temporary block from Instagram, so you just need to wait some time. It depends on situation, because sometimes it can take a few days, sometimes it can take about several weeks, so it depends on situation. So just wait. And also you can try to change your network, so sometimes it also helps. If you use Wi-Fi, just try to use cellular data, and if you use cellular data, just try to use Wi-Fi. Also you can try to use another device for using Instagram. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.